Yeah, this year we are facing several challenges like cost is rising. We have rapid technological change. Of course, there's the geopolitical tension. All of these are a big challenge to the business community. So this year, we have prepared series of activities to help our business community, even the students and future business leaders, to help us navigate these uncertainties and this global disruption. This year, even the climate challenges are very real. Today lang, 'di ba? It's still flooding na. So we really want people to be ready, to be prepared, and that's why this year for the business summit we have invited different personalities to talk about, of course, number one, about economics. We also have someone who will talk about geopolitical tensions. And then we have climate disaster. We have Professor Mahar to discuss about Project NOAA. And of course, we have someone from the private sector and about sustainability also. And this year, we are also helping the students, especially from the Mandawi Comprehensive High School. So we will have an industry academe collaboration. And we also have the Trabaho Tabay. So we would like to help the companies to look for applicants, and we also want to help the community for all the job seekers to find a job. Because grabe, di ba, crisis nga, so it's very difficult to find a job. Actually, when are getting mga companies to join the Trabaho Tabay, a lot of the companies are into freeze hiring. So it's really difficult, but then there are still companies who are still expanding, growing, so they need more manpower, more people. So we will continue this Trabaho Tabay on August 29. And this year also we have the Women Entrepreneur. So this is a grassroots program, and we will look for women from the small medium enterprise sector. We will choose one each barangay in Mandaue. So we will mentor them, and then we'll have personality development and of course business development also, so that we can help them to be equipped in navigating change and in growing their businesses. So this year we'll have the Bakery World again. So this is every 2 years. So this will be at the Waterfront Hotel on September. So we're inviting everyone, especially in the food industry and the baking sector. So we have invited several suppliers and solution provider in the food and bakeries section or industry. So we're inviting everyone to come and join us on September. And we also have the logistics conference again. Because of the success from the two previous years, we are reviving the logistics conference so that we can help the businesses in Mandaue, especially the manufacturing sector, service sector, and the entire supply chain industry in Mandaue and in Cebu.